always had it somehow. To you it seems insignificant. To me everything's different now. Won't forget what they say about how these things can come back around. But is it possible to make mistakes? Is it possible to lose your way? Is it possible you made it hard for me? Is it possible you never thought it'd be rainy days? These rainy days. I put forth an open heart and I've been hurt. Looking back in retrospect, that ain't what I deserve. Want it back in blood, I'm going